Hello friends, myself MD Khayyum, a civil engineer. A warm welcome back with a new video to our academy. Today I am going to discuss about 20 feet by 35 feet floor plan. But before going to discuss in detail, I request to all the viewers of our academy, those who are new to our channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's move on to discuss in detail about the floor plan. So this is a very comfortable size plan and it is very suitably designed. So the area is approximately about, it is 77 square yards, that is 35 by 20 feet. So it is a very comfortable plan with 1 BHK. Now let's move on to discuss in detail about the floor plan. Here I have entered into the floor plan. We have provided with a 10 feet gate. Now I have entered. On the left hand side you can view we have provided a staircase to move towards the upstairs. And this is a very lavish parking area. You can park a car along with motor vehicles. And the parking area is having a dimension of 18 feet 6 inches by 11 feet. Now I am entering towards the living room of our plan. So here when I entered here through the main door, the living room is having a comfortable dimension of 11 feet 9 inches by 10 feet 10.5 inches. In the living room we have provided sofa set along with teapot and a comfortable view of LCD. So from living room you can enter towards the left hand side towards the kitchen room. So in the kitchen room you can view there is a platform with a wash basin and a wash area is also. And the kitchen is having a size of 6 feet 5 inches by 8 feet 10 inches. Now I am returning back to the living room. I am moving towards the bedroom of our floor plan. And the bedroom is having a dimension of 10 feet by 12 feet 6 inches. In the bedroom we have provided one bed along with wardrobe and we also provided a good view of so now from living room I am entering towards our master bedroom of our plan with a size of 10 feet by 12 feet 6 inches. In this bedroom we have provided one bed along with wardrobe and a LCD. Now I am returning back to the living room and from living room I have entered towards the common toilet we have provided here of size 8 feet 2 inches by 5 feet 8 inches and with rear open area. A duct is also provided for the purpose of good ventilation towards the bedroom and also for the bathroom available, and it is having a rear open of size 7 feet 9 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. So this is a very suitable plan those who are having less area of about 77 square yards. I request all the viewers once again, those who did not subscribe our channel, kindly subscribe to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.